Multiplying one digit by four-digit numbers. Remember, as a reminder, always start in the ones column. This just builds on the one digit by two numbers and the one digit by three numbers. So same process, we've just added another digit in here. So we always start in the ones column. We're going to multiply 6 times 4, and 6 times 4 is 24. We have to put the 4 in the ones column, and we are going to put the 2 right here above this 2 in the tens column. Might not be exactly, there we go. Now we got it exactly over that. And then we're going to multiply this 6 times the 2 in the tens column. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So we're going to put our 4 right here. And it was 14. So we're going to carry our 1 right here. And then we're going to multiply 6 times 4, which is 24, plus 1 is 25. So we're going to put the 5 here and the 2 up here. And then I'm going to even up my numbers here a little bit. And then the last step we have is 6 times 5, which is 30, plus 2 is 32. And I'm going to move everything over. And then I'm going to put in my comma. Now, I don't put in my comma till the very end. And one thing that I do whenever I'm multiplying is, this is 5,424. I left the comma out here. And I do that often when I handwrite problems, because that way I don't mistake that comma for being a 1 or something else. I know, especially sometimes fourth graders write their commas very large, and sometimes they look like 1s instead of commas. So don't worry about putting your comma in until your very final answer. All right, let's do the next one. 8,025. Notice I've left the comma out. We don't need it right now. 8,025 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So we're going to put the 0 right here. And we're going to put the 2 right here above this 2. And next, we're going to multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 9, 10. So we're going to put our 0 there and carry our 1 up here. Carry our 1 up here. And then we're going to say 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 5. Put our 5 down here. And then we're going to say, I didn't have anything to carry because 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 5. So there's nothing to carry. I simply write down the 5. And then we say 4 times 8 is 32. And so I'm going to write 32 down here, scoot it over. And our final answer is 32,500. And here is where I'm going to put my comma when I'm all finished with my answer. All right, let's look at our next one. 5,207 times 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So the 6 goes here, and the 5 is going to go up here over the 0. Then we're going to say 8 times 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. So we're going to put the 5 down there. We do not have anything to carry, so we're going to go 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is 16. The 6 it's written down, and the 1 goes up here over the 5. And then we say 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 is 41. So 41 goes right here. And our final answer is 41,656. And I can put the comma in very last. So you will see multiplying one digit by 4 digits is the very same process. We just keep multiplying until we get to that last digit, and then we're finally finished.